Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have the crazy boy with uke here. This song is called Problematic, as life can be sometimes. Alright, so we got this verse going on and the chorus there, and that's it. I'm gonna give you the tools for it, and you have to put it all together on your own. So let's start this one up. To match up with the sound, we have the capo set high up here on the 6th fret to get the high notes, and combined with the easy chords. So this is the best scenario, capo on 6. Let's go with the chords. We're gonna look at the A minor first, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We also have the E, so what you do from the E minor, you just add the 1st fret on the G string. On E minor, it's open, on the E, it's 1st fret E. Everything else is the same. Let's move on with the F, and that's a bar chord. So you place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A string, 3rd fret on D, and 2nd on G. We have C as well. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then the final chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna start and learn the strumming pattern, and the first chord here in the verse, which we're gonna look at first, is A minor. So grab A minor, and one strumming around is down, up, clap, up. So that's one round. When you do the up there in the end, you don't go all the way up like that. You just turn your wrist like this and hit the last strings there, the E, B, perhaps the G. So just a quick little turn there on the up. So down, up, clap, up. To get that in a context, I'm gonna play a couple rounds for you so you understand how it's done. It goes like this. Alright, so we're ready for the verse. You're gonna play A minor, 2 strumming rounds, then E minor 2, then F2, then C1, and E1. Alright, A minor 2, E minor 2, F2, C1, E1. Goes like this. That's one round. Alright, so there you have the verse. Now, finally, let's take a look at the chorus. So, we're gonna go with F, 2 strumming rounds, C, 2 strumming rounds, E, 2 strumming rounds, A minor 1, and G1. So, F2, C2, E2, A minor 1, G1, like this. So, combined, one verse and one chorus goes like this. Alright guys, so Problematic. I don't think that is that problematic. This song actually pretty easy and straightforward. So good luck with this one, guys. And until next time, play tuned.